Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork and beans easy method. Start by gathering ground pork, canned beans, diced tomatoes, onion, garlic, and your favorite spices, then heat a skillet. Brown the pork until no pink remains, add onions and garlic until soft, pour in tomatoes and beans, simmer gently to meld flavors, and finish with a splash of vinegar or hot sauce to lift the dish. Begin by measuring everything out so cooking flows smoothly. Use 1 pound of ground pork, 2 cans of drained beans, 1/14, 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and 1 medium chopped onion. Have minced garlic, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper ready, plus an optional splash of vinegar or hot sauce. This prep keeps you focused at the stove and ensures each spoonful is balanced and comforting. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're durable and surprisingly comfy after long kitchen sessions. I use them during meal prep, and they keep my feet happy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you found that helpful now, let's get back to the video. Heat a skillet over medium-high and brown the pork until nicely seared. Push pork to the side, add onions and garlic, sauté until translucent and fragrant. Stir everything together, add diced tomatoes and drained beans, reduce to a gentle simmer, and cook about 20 minutes to blend flavors. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, or a dash of hot sauce, then serve warm with crusty bread or rice for a simple, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.